Wait, what the fuck are you guys doing here? Did I invite y'all? You know what, it's whatever. Give me a second and then I'll let you in.
Few moments later.
Okay, so I'm ready for you guys now. What's up guys, it's your girl Tamia, Kiara, and you're tuned into another video here on my channel. So yay for you. Today you're obviously here to see my furnished apartment. If you didn't already, go click on that unfurnished apartment tour. I'm definitely going to put it up here, up there, wherever it pops up. Y'all know, I don't really know what side it pops up on, but you know what I'm talking about. So definitely go watch that video if you're interested to see what my place looked like before. You know, I added my little on it. But come in guys. Oh, but before you come in, make sure you take off your shoes because like, you know what I'm saying? Like, we don't do shoes in the house. That's just like not cute. That's not an aesthetic, you know? Okay guys, so when you first walk into my apartamente, you see this little rug. It's a Roddy Rich rug and it says, bitch, don't wear no shoes in my house, because period, we live in NYC, so like the amount of dirt that's probably on the bottom of someone's shoe is just not cute, and I don't want that all up in my apartment. We actually have a little shoe rack. If you come over here, right when you walk in the door, we have a coat closet. She's kind of in shambles, so don't clock me, but I'm definitely gonna do like an organization type of video, just showing you guys how I organize everything in this apartment. I've only lived here for like literally a little bit over a month, and the fact that I furnished it that fast, me and my roommate furnished it that fast, is kind of insane, but we haven't had the time to like fully organize everything, so don't worry about that. But in here we just have, you know, the regular stuff, some shopping bags for when we go shopping, some paper towel, toilet tissue, all that stuff, an air mattress for when guests come over, some of our coats. My roommate keeps some of her clothes in here in this thing. Then we have like the vacuum, the mop, you know what I'm saying? And then we have this shoe rack so that when people come in and they take their shoes off, bam, put shoes in the shoe rack. But that's this, and I love in here, like, do you guys see how tall this is? I'm 5'8", and look at this. So I don't even know how tall the ceilings are in here, but they're ridiculously tall, and I live for that. The tall doors, everything, like, it's just such an aesthetic, you know what I'm saying? But over here by the door, this is where me and my roommate keep our keys. So you'll just see like two little hooks. These are her keys, these are my keys, super cute. And then there's just a switch for this lighting of this little area. Then on the other side of that is our bathroom. We have a full bathroom. We only have one bathroom in here, which is fine because there's literally two of us. But so when you first come in, there's this little medicine cabinet mirror kind of thing, which I love because I just have a lot of skincare products, a lot of products in general that I like to use in the bathroom. So these two shelves are mine and these upper two shelves are my roommate's. And then when you close it, it's a mirror, and it's not like a full body mirror, but it's like full body-ish, which I kind of like because, you know what I'm saying, I want to look at myself when I'm getting dressed or doing whatever I'm doing. Then over here we just have this little rack. This came with the apartment, like we didn't have to put it up or anything, and this is just where we keep a hand towel for when you wash your hands, toilet paper, regular stuff, toilet, you know, nothing fancy. But let me put you guys on game. So I have this spray in here. It's called Poopery. Yeah, I think it's called Poopery, and it's before you go toilet spray. We have the lavender vanilla citrus scent, but like spray before you go so nobody has to know. Like honestly, love this. If you have an apartment or a household or a dorm bathroom, whatever, get this, because if your guests want to go, you know what I'm saying, like it's normal, then they could just spray this and you literally won't have to smell it. I hate when I go in the bathroom, I can literally tell somebody just used the bathroom, like ugh. So this is the goat. And over here we have our sink. Everyone who comes here compliments our sink. It's like a deep bowl kind of vibe, and then it has like this tan marble, which you'll notice like throughout our apartments, also the floors in here. And then we just have this soap dispenser thing that we just refill, so it's easy because you can refill it. It's super cute, it matches our bathroom. And so does our toothbrush majiggy, which we just keep in the bag because like who wants to see somebody's toothbrush. And then we also just have some paper towel. Then over here is the shower. We got a cute little fuzzy rug, so when people step off, you know, boom, feet are wet, you go on the rug, period. But this is how the shower looks, just a white shower curtain. And then it has a tub, which we love because if you've been looking for like an NYC apartment and that's why you're watching this video, you know that tubs are not super duper common. So we honestly bossed up in that life. But then we got these cute shower caddy things. Let me tell y'all, I tried to get a normal shower caddy, you know, the kind that hangs on the thing. But look at our thing. It's like, it's weird. It's like a different kind of aesthetic. You know what I'm saying? Like, it hangs down, so then when you hang something on it, it slides down. Which, honestly, whatever. But then we ended up finding these on Amazon, which are super cute because they just like adhere to the wall. It has like an adhesive strip, and the adhesive is mad strong. Like, this is not coming off. So I have one, and my roommate has one, just for like your shower products, you know, everything you want to keep in the shower. And also, before I leave, I wanted to mention this mirror, because this mirror is goated. Like, the lights are so cute. I love the little details. Like, it's super girly because, period. Like, when I'm getting ready, I just want to look cute, and I want to take a mirror selfie. I just feel like this adds so much detail. Coming out of the bathroom, we're back in this like front area of the apartment. This is the bathroom right here, and then over here is the closet that I just showed you guys. Okay, so now we're gonna get into the rest of the apartment. So once you come out of that little front area, right here we have our washer and dryer, which another flex. Okay guys, like, this is a flex. This is boss. This is giving like luxury. If you live in the city of Manhattan, you know, this is rare. Like, oh my gosh, I used to pay like $20 a load for my laundry before, and now that I have a washer and dryer unit, I just do laundry just to do it sometimes. Honestly, like, I don't even be having stuff to wash, but I just make stuff up because I have a washer and dryer in my apartment, period. But yeah, this is the dryer on top, washer on the bottom. Love that it's stackable because it doesn't take up too much space. And honestly, I love the fact that it's like hidden in a little closet, because I could just put my detergent in here. I have like a little ironing board in here, all that kind of stuff, and nobody has to see it, nobody knows, and it just closes the door, and it closes so seamlessly. Like, nobody's gonna be, you know, be peeping all that extraness. It could be junky in there, who's gonna know? So then when we come over here, actually into the apartment, this is the kitchen living room area, you know what I'm saying? Super cute. I love this area because it's super open. Like, I could be over here cooking something, and I could have a guest sitting on the couch, and I'm just like in the mix of everything. I know it's not like the hugest living space, but if you've seen NYC real estate, like I keep mentioning, it's hard to get everything. So something that we kind of buckled down on was our living space just not being super huge, which I don't mind because me and my roommate are literally so close, so I want to be on top of her all the time anyways. And honestly, it just works out well because the people that we do entertain, we have the same friend group and everything, so we like being all together. Anywho though, this is the kitchen, just to give you guys an overview. This is our little like apartment phone. No, I'm kidding. But that's like what they call us on whenever like delivery or whatever is about to come up. And then we have this cute little area. We have a cutting board. This is low-key just for show, we don't even use it. And then this is our flour, sugar, and then we have this pumpkin pancakes candle because, you know, it's fall. And then we have our honey in this cute little thingy. Got a Keurig because I love coffee. It's teal. Don't clock me, okay? I've had this Keurig since I was a freshman in college, and I'm currently in the process of getting a new one because clearly this doesn't match my freaking kitchen. And it's a little kitty, but when I was, how old are you? 18 when you go into college? I thought it was so cute, and this is my favorite color. Any shade of blue I'm literally obsessed with. So I had to buy it, but obviously I'm gonna get the big girl, you know, the regular plain version. Don't clock me. But anywho, these are our cabinets. I love them because they're super seamless. Like, they don't have handles on them or any hardware, which I actually really like because it just makes it look so flat and so seamless in here. And then, but obviously the bottom ones, like our drawer pulls and everything, they do have hardware or whatever. So not mad at that. But I'm not going to show you guys too much into the cabinets and what we have because, like I said, I'm going to do an organization video where you guys are going to get to see all the tea on what is in these cabinets and how I organize it. But back to the kitchen stuff, we have this cute little thing, and it just pops out. This is like the fan, you know, when you cooking and it's like steamy or whatever, so you throw the fan on, and also like the oven light. So all that is here. Then we have our microwave slash oven. It's a weird thing. Again, NYC is just a different type of lifestyle, but that's how that works. Then over here we just have these cute little things. I think these are so cute. This is our soap. It's from Love, Beauty, and Planet. It's really cute. It's like a tea tree oil soap. We like to keep a hand soap over here so that people can always feel like they can wash their hands. Always. Especially in 2020. But then we just have this cute thing, which is from Target, and that's our dish soap. Then we have this little thingy-majiggy toad, our sponge, and then over here you'll just see you know, the little dish drying rack, nothing too fancy, a fruit bowl, etc. But let me show you the bombest part of our freaking kitchen. So right here, right, you thought this was a cabinet? You played yourself. This is our freaking dishwasher. How cool is that? Like, it literally is so cool. Like, I can't get over it. It literally flows with the cabinets. I don't know, I just really like that aesthetic. I feel like it's super modern and I love that. Also, this is our fridge. Come on, like, this fridge literally looks like, I don't know, it doesn't even look like a fridge. I'm just so obsessed with it. It blends in with the cabinets. I think that's so cute. But again, your girl is gonna organize the fridge. Don't clock me. But this is the fridge, you know. She's messy right now. I'm not even gonna lie. I don't even have much in here because every freaking weekend we have a party. You know what I'm saying? We've been celebrating Tracy's birthday. We've been out. I've been going home for like family birthdays and stuff like that. So I haven't had the chance to fully get in there and do what I need to do, but it's coming. And then down here is our freezer. There's like nothing fancy, crazy in here. Just like an ice maker. You know what I'm saying? All that good stuff. Moving on. Over here we have our living room TV, living kitchen, dining, whatever you want to call it, area TV. So the cool thing about this is we got the kind of TV mount where it pulls out. So we can just pull it out and turn it towards the whole like living kitchen area. Or we could put it over here towards our dining table, which is where we eat. So love that for us because we can do a lot of things with it. And the cool thing is, let me see how I turn this on. We put some lights behind it. So at night we can get the little ambiance of lights and change the color. You know, the LED lights, we had to be down with that whole trend, you know? So we put them behind our TV, and then over here we just have these pillows for extra seating. So basically the reason why we put throw pillows on this thing is because it's actually a storage bin. This is where I keep all my shoes at because I have way too many shoes, and you know, I just needed a place where I could put them away and not think about them. But people can also sit here and chill and vibe, and it's not heavy. It's easy to move this thing around. So if they wanted to sit, you know, closer towards the couch, but there were too many people on the couch, you can move it. There's throw pillows, it's comfortable. Love that for us. Then over here we have our dining table kind of area. This is where we sit and we eat when we do want to, you know, like eat on a table or whatever. And the cool thing about this is it came with these 2 bar stools, but we can get another 2, which we haven't yet because we haven't been doing much entertaining, to be honest, because, you know, you don't want too many people in your space. But you could lift this up and pull it out, and the table would be double the size, and it would fit another 2 bar stools. So I really love that about this table because it's really functional for smaller spaces, but you can like do a lot with it, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's cute when it's for 2, it's cute when it's for 4. Then up here, we just have these super cute little, I guess you would call it like our, wall decals, wall decor. And I just printed out these posters that say Tracy and Tamia. Tracy is my roommate's name, if you didn't know. Definitely subscribe to her YouTube because she's going to be posting similar videos and a lot of makeup videos. So if you're interested in beauty, and I know you guys don't get that from me on my channel because that's not really something I'm into, definitely go check out Tracy. I'm going to put her YouTube down below. But over here is my name, and we did this on purpose because on this side is Tracy's room and on that side is my room. So duh. And if you're looking at my room, just stop. You know what I'm saying? Like, just quit it, because I'm not showing you guys my room today because I'm gonna do a full room tour, and my room is low-key in shambles. You'll see in the room tour video I got a lot going on in there, a lot of situations. My bed is not what I want it to be, da, da, da. So honestly, just wait for that video. But so don't even look in there, just mind your business. But over here we want to do something with this wall, like some cute kind of like wall decor. If you have any ideas, definitely drop them down below. But we're trying to think of something to spice this wall up, but we're kind of just leaving it blank for now. And then we have this huge mirror which we got from HomeGoods. I literally love this mirror. Like, catch me on Instagram taking selfies in front of this mirror all day, every day, because this mirror is so cute. It's full body, has this like light oak kind of detail, which I like. And then we have this plant. It's a fake plant. Don't clock us. Maybe we'll get a real one day, but she's cute. Back to the living room area, we just have these little storagey things. They're like end tables. So the thing I love about these is you can lift them up and put stuff in them. So if we have a lot of people over, we'll take our throw pillows and put them in here. You can store different things in there, which is great. And I just have these frames. This is me and my roommate Tracy, and then over here is me and Tracy and our other friend Shania. And then the little remote to our TV, because duh. And then we have this candle because I love candles. You'll notice that there are a lot of candles throughout this place. This is the lavender and vanilla rejuvenating candle. So a little aromatherapy, you know what I'm saying? Then we have another fake plant. Don't clock us, okay? And then, this is my favorite area. I feel like I say that at every area, but this is my favorite area because the chandelier, so cute, so cute. And then we have this big art majiggy. This is from HomeGoods. It was honestly pretty cheap, like for what it is and for what it looks like. It's so pretty and I just love it. And it was only $100, which isn't really bad. Super cute. Like blue is my favorite color, like I keep telling y'all. So, and then we have these little throw pillows. We have like a long one, a little tiny ones that came with the couch, and then these two blue ones just for like to tie into the art up here, and then a black throw blanket. And over here we just have some more decor on this other end table. So we have a Chanel book and then like a trend forecasting book, which also is blue, so it really ties into our place. And then two vanilla candles. But that's what's going on over here. And you know, that's pretty much it for my apartment tour. I've pretty much showed you guys everything. I've taken you through the entire place. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video and enjoyed, you know, getting to see how I like to decorate my things and things like that. Definitely make sure to subscribe, turn on your post notifications so that the next videos I post about my apartment, the organization, the room tours, all that good shit, you get to see it because I don't want you to miss out. I love you guys so, so much, and I'm gonna catch you in my next one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!